Hey everyone, it's Sonia with Shades Daddy, and the Aviator prescription look is definitely trending right now. So today I have the Aviator Gaze RX 6589 by Ray-Ban, and these glasses are unisex. They're super cool, bold prescription glasses. I love this specific model because it is made out of metal, but they do feature these Nylor lenses. And what that means is that it's semi-rimless. So down here, it's just lens, which is really cool. It comes in two different sizes. The ones that I'm wearing right now is the 56mm lens, and it has a 15mm bridge, as well as a 140mm temple size. They're very lightweight. I like them. They're different. Definitely statement prescription glasses. And then I have the 59mm, so I'll try that one on for you so you get an idea of what the difference is. So these are much bigger, but they also have that 140mm temple size and the 15mm bridge. They come in 4 different colors, but I only have 2 colors with me right now. So this one that I'm wearing is the gold frame, and that is model 2500. And then the ones that I put on earlier for you, the smaller one, these are black and gold, and it is 2946. So when you purchase your Aviator Gaze glasses, you get a Ray-Ban hard case, as well as a Ray-Ban microfiber cleaning cloth to clean your glasses. We do offer prescription glasses at shadesdaddy.com, and if you guys like these prescription glasses reviews, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below a specific model you'd like for us to review, as well as any questions that you may have. As always, the links are in the description box, so visit shadesdaddy.com and get you a pair of Aviator Gaze glasses today.